Hi everybody, David Kino with Basecamp Trading. This is the free video for Thursday, July 9th. So we're looking at Meta today. So it started the day out kind of weak, and but we had an announcement in Meta that Meta is actually jumping into the AI coding market that is currently dominated by Anthropic and OpenAI. And Meta believes that its Muse Spark AI model is pretty competitive. So the market is responding positively today. You can see we were in the midst of a little bit of a bounce here in Meta after falling down to these lows around 550 at the end of last month. Significant jump higher. This actually has the potential to be a bit of a bull flag. Next target, if we can clear above 626, the next target would be the 200-day simple moving average at 643 from here. So that would be about a 4 or 5% move in Meta, and we're up over 2% today. So I keep my eye on that. The AI space is pretty active today. We've got positive news in Micron, and OpenAI even had news that its newest AI model is about 54% more efficient. So there's a lot of AI-specific news out there pushing the markets higher. Meta's up over 2.5%, and you can see the Nasdaq up over 1 2/3%. So substantial bounce today. We'll see if we can keep going tomorrow. Thanks.